show you. If you get this type of question, so if anyone will ask you which type of data you will return. So basically, students, if you divide a float by double, then you know that by the implicit conversion says that the lowest data type will convert to which? Tell me, lowest data type is convert to which type?
Greatest data type.
Greatest data type. That means float and double becomes which type? Double. Is it clear? Clear to you? Please reply. Please, humble
Yes,
request.
sir.
And this is character data type. So if you add this double to character, then which type of answer will get? Double type. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
double is having greater data type, greatest data type as compared to character. Next, if you operate this integer and double, then which type of data you will get? Which type of data you will get? Which type of data you will get, student? Tell me. Student, you know this double is having a greater storage capacity as compared to int. So what happened? Int will goes to double. So which will be converted? Double. That means int will be converted to double. So the final answer will be in the double. So my result will be which data type? Double data type. Is it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
and in which order they are solving, this is also a play important role. Let me show you in which order they are solving. Okay, just let me erase this. Oh. So students, basically you know that plus division, which operator is having highest precedence? Can you tell me? Let me show you the precedence also. This is so if you are able to see, let me delete everything so that you can just see it properly. Can you tell me whose precedence is greater in that equation? In that equation, whose precedence was greater? This is, you can see here, these are the highest precedence, these on wall, and after that there are addition and subtraction. Then before that there was this one, division. So who is having the highest precision? Who is having the highest precision? That means precedence. Can you tell me, students? Can you tell me? Are you there or not? Are you there?
Yes.
Are you not? Can you see this picture? Please do not take my test. Otherwise, I will be hyper on you. Just see here, see the picture. Tell me who is having highest precedence, this division or plus? You can't see this one. This belongs to the fourth group, and this belongs to the fifth group. So that means the first division is having high precedence, fourth one, and because precedence is coming from top to bottom, the highest is one, this one, फिर after that this, फिर after that this. So you are able to see this division is highest precedence or not? Are you able to
Yes.
see right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So who is having highest precedence? Again, tell me, this division or plus?
4.
Division.
Division. So division is having highest precedence. So in this equation, students, in this one, first it will solve because here is division. Here is
Yes.
here is.
Division.
So first this will solve.
Division.
First this will solve and it will give answer in double. Is it clear?
Yes.
And after that you are seeing there are 2 plus. There are
2 plus.
2 plus, and you know that this one, let me show you, this plus, sorry, this plus is having precedence, and I said to you that if you get the same type operator, then the associative of the plus operator is from left to right. Can you see this? Left to right.
Yes.
So that means this will solve, left operator will solve first. This left, this one.
Yes.
This
By int.
after that, this will. That means this plus will be solved first. This plus. After this plus. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, let me take one example. Then I think your concept will be. So this one is clear or not? This all one.
Yes. Clear.
Okay, I need to clear one more concept. After that, I will start your practical. Let me clear you. So student, one thing, you know the new operator, new?
No.
When I was started your Java, then I said that you create the object by new operator, and first you will write the class name. So I will write the class name PRAMODKUMAR. Then after that one is space. Then after there will be the object name. So object name can be of any type. So you can write any object name. Suppose I have written OBJ equal to, I have write new. Then PRAMODKUMAR. Then there will be this sign. This brackets. Okay. So this is the way of creating the object in Java. And I said one more thing, that if you relate with your real life, then you know that this object is the real entity. So if I talk about the group animal, so animal is having cow, dog, elephant. So those cow, dog, elephant can walk, can eat, can talk, and they are having their properties like ear, like hair. So OBJ just behaves as a cow or not? Can I say OBJ behaves as a cow? Just answer me immediate, yes or no. I do not wait any time. Just OBJ is OBJ behaves as a cow or not? Because this is an object. This is an
sir. Yeah.
So this can behave as a cow. So you know that cow is having the property like hair, like ear, like legs. So these are the properties of the cows. You know this one better? You know or not? You know this thing?
Yes.
No. So that means you can say these are the properties of the cow, and in Java these properties are set variables. You know this thing also? You know this thing also or not? So the properties in Java are called variables. Do you know this thing? And methods and actions, the actions like eating, like walking, like talking, these are the actions of cow. So that actions are called methods in Java. Do you know this thing? I explained in very early class. So these are the actions. So suppose if I write a variable int a equal to this one, I'm not assigning any variable. So can I call my property by the, that means this cow is having property, so this property is of my, that means I can obj dot a and I can assign the variable to it. Can I do it or not? If I print system dot out dot println and if I print here a, then I will get 12. You just see here. Just watch. Okay, this is another error because this is a static method and you people are not aware about the static method. So just I'm writing and the next chapter is of static method. Don't worry. I'm just writing here static, static, static. Then it will run. Okay, just see this answer result. You got 12. How you got 12? Because these, just do not see this static. I will discuss it in the next class. But see, only watch this one. I declare a variable a. So this variable is the part of this object or not? Can you say this thing or not? Just relate. Can this variable is the part of object or not? Tell me. Tell me. Is this the part of object A? Because I explained, student, that the properties is called variable in Java. So these are the properties. So you know that if I suppose this is a cow, object is a cow. So cow is this A is the property of the cow. This A is the property of the cow. Can I say or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very nice. If you say yes, then can I assign a value to my variable? Can I assign a value to my variable? Yes. I can assign, na? I can assign.
Yes.
So definitely I will call it by dot operator. Which operator I will use? Dot.
Dot operator.
So I will use obj dot this obj, this one obj. Then my variable is a. So here is a, so obj dot a equal to 12. So the 12 is assigned to this variable. So I will just print here a and it is giving 12. I think right now this is clear. So if this time it is not clear, then please watch my videos and you can ask in the comment box. I will definitely reply to you. And let me do some numerical questions today. Let me do some numerical question because I have to finish today. And suppose, student, I have taken this question x equal to 5 and you will reply me immediately. And I have written x equal to x plus multiply 2 plus 3 multiply minus x. So you just tell me whose precedence is greater. That means highest. Just see the, I am just showing this one.
Multiply.
This increment, pre or post decrement. So whose priority is greater? Whose priority is greater? You are seeing this pre or post increment, pre or post decrement is having the highest priority. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this is having the highest priority. That means just see here. This is post increment. So you will write. Yesterday I explained, first you write the variable, then after that you will increment. I said to you, na? Then you multiply 2, then plus is having lowest priority, you will write 3, then multiply. Then after that, you know that this one is having highest priority. This one is having highest priority. So you know that, students, just be very serious, otherwise you cannot solve any single question. Just be very serious. This is pre increment and post increment is having the same priority, but the precedence is, if in the expression there are the same operators, then its associative is from right to left. So that's why I am solving this one first. Otherwise, if the precedence is from that, where is the precedence, from where it is precedence? From what I said? What I said, student? What I said? So student, just watch. 5 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply, and after that what happened? This after this statement, this becomes how much? 6. So here goes to 6, but this is pre-increment. Then after that it will be decremented to 5. So answer will be 5. Then after that, whose priority is greater? So multiply priority is greater. Then 10. Then after that plus. Then whose priority is greater? Multiply. So 5 multiply 3, 15. Then after that plus is there. Then answer will be 25. Can you got this? Can you got this? Can you solve this type of question right now? Can you solve this type of question, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I'm giving one question to you. Just solve it. Suppose if I am writing int x equal to 4 and I'm giving x plus equal to x plus 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 x this one, and this is also in the bracket, this one. So how you will solve this? So you know that this is written like this: x is equal to x plus x plus 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 x plus x. Can you write this like this one? This equation like this one. This is compact notation. Can you see this shorthand notation? Can you see this, student? You are very lazy students. You are not giving the answer. Is this shorthand notation or not? Tell me this thing. Is this shorthand notation? Is this shorthand notation? Is this shorthand notation or not, student? Please reply.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Shorthand.
So can you write this
Notation.
x equal to x plus? This is if you write, listen here. If you write x plus equal to 1, so this is meaning. This is having the meaning x equal to x plus 1. So in the same way, if I write x plus equal to this one, so this is having meaning x equal to x plus this one. If this here is 1, so here is this one, so can I write x plus this one? Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So you know that the highest priority who is having this bracket. So that means this will solve first. So I will write, okay. So x equal to x plus, I will write here 4, because this is having the post increment. So after putting the value, it will be incremented. So 4 will be same here. Then after that, here is pre-increment. So you know that 4 or 1 increment 5. and here is preset. That means first it will be incremented. So 4, it becomes 5. Then here will be what? Will be 6. 6, then plus, and here x. So x becomes what happened? 6. Sorry, x becomes 6. So what happened? You just saw you just solve this one, and I left this value. This value also will be 4. So 4 plus this one. So you know that the plus, many plus are there. So first it is comes from left to right. 4. This will be solved. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 6 plus 6. Sorry. 8 plus 6 plus 6. Again, x equal to this one. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 6. Again it will be solved. X equal to 20. Because the priority is from left to right and all are having the same type of operator. Is it clear to you? Clear to you? So 4 plus 4,
Yes, sir.
8. Then again it will be solved 6. So 8 plus 6, 14. In the next line it will 6, 20. So answer will be 20. Is it clear to everyone? Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So students, this is the end of this lesson, and this is your duty in the next session. When I will meet you, people will solve all the questions, and you will ask the question. If you face any problem in the comment box, immediate I will do the question for you. That means I will take the picture solution of the question, and I can upload it on the YouTube also. Okay. If you face any problem, then you can contact. So this is the end of this chapter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you can leave and just revise. When I will meet in the next class, then please revise every chapter till operator.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.